We love that. She's a new woman. The bonnet is changing me. I don't know. Hey fans, welcome back to my channel. Today, I don't know what we're doing today. I have been commissioned to make this super cute Jester style cap. I found this tutorial that I bought online that we are going to use. I am such a visual learner. Everything I've done up to this point in my crochet journey has been from videos. So this is out of my comfort zone and I know it's going to cause some trial and error. I've already committed that I am making this commission, so we have to do it. We're just gonna get started. Step one, and honestly the step that I always try and avoid, I have this little guy and it's supposed to be the exact same size. So before we jump into it and get too ahead of ourselves, we're gonna make a little swatch to make sure that the sizing is right. So we go into this correct. Look at me learning. Look at me growing. I mean, this is why we do gauges, but also why I hate this. Not long enough and not tall enough. I tried it with a 4mm hook and we're a little bit off, so I'm going to redo it with a 5mm hook and hope that the sizing is better. This is annoying. Hopefully if I do this trial and error before I get into the project, then it'll go smoothly, right? Let's try it again. Okay, third time is the charm. We have the right size that I'm looking for. For the main part of the hood, it's gonna be very similar to this image. I'm doing like the black? Is this black? Hello? I'm doing like the blue and purple with white trim. Super cute. We're gonna start on the bonnet and see how long that takes. Again, I have no idea how to read a written pattern. I do not know what I'm getting myself into. I don't want to jinx it, but so far this is going really well. We're just gonna continue. Okay, never mind. I had to redo some because I missed my color change, but now I'm getting the hang of it. Today's goal is building this out. I think I can get the whole bonnet done in one setting. This is what we are currently looking like. That only took a few hours. I was wondering if it's a little bit too short, but there's nothing I'm gonna do about it now because it's gonna be tied like this. It looks really silly now, but it's gonna be cute. So it is a few days later, I went ahead and did the straps. Very easy, just chained a whole bunch and then slip stitched. This is a very trust the process project and moment, okay? Because right now it's giving, I'm gonna go milk the cows. But I promise, soon it will be giving clown chic. So I think I've decided before I put on the accessories, the next part is doing the outline of the face because I think it will help bring it all together. Today's task is getting all the white done. This is such a look. I've also been sewing in my ends as I go, so there's nothing going on. We love that. She's a new woman. The bonnet is changing me. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen when we add these horns on here. Hello. So today's goal is to make the horn. I'm going to try and get both of them done. So all I have to do is like the accessories and attaching things. So this shouldn't take forever. Emotional damage. But those are always my last words before things go wrong. So no promises, just vibes and hopes and dreams. Honestly though, this pattern is really good. It's not the pattern's fault that I'm struggling, it's me. I am always the problem, okay? Thank goodness I looked because I was about to do it wrong. I've actually not made a mistake and had to redo it, so going well. I hope I didn't just jinx it. Let's keep going. Okay, so we are back. It has been a few days. I did procrastinate a little bit. I'm gonna finish off the frills and get this done. Let's go. Oh, how I just love when you win yarn chicken. Look at this. We are finishing up a row with this much yarn to spare. We love it. And just like that, both of my horns are done. Now, time for all the accessories. Ah! Never ending project. This is the project that goes on and on. That's not the song, but you get the point, you know? One is done. We are just finishing up this guy. I'm having to like stuff it as we go. I've been saving all of my yarn scraps, waiting for my moment. There's a lot of hair in here. I'm gonna have to pick out. Oh my goodness, just like that. So we are all done and we are just gonna try it on. Let's do it. And this is what it's looking like on. A little bit ridiculous and absolutely amazing. The cutest little the cutest little I cannot talk. The cutest little clown, considering that this was the first written pattern that I've ever worked with. There was a lot of trial and error. We had to frog a lot, we had to work on a lot, but We are finally done and I am very happy with the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to make your own, I have the links for the Etsy. Help me! If you would like to make your own, I have the links all down below for the Etsy pattern that I used for this. And thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for some more ridiculous projects, and until next time, peace.
For the night we pop out at 1 in the morning. You really wanna know this kind of life never boring. She bought Dior with a man from the store, but she bring it to my table when the drinks start pouring.